We'll go dinner after the tour. But first, can you show your new video game? Scooby and I have been dying to play it. No one's playing the game until we get rid our problem. Professor Kaufman, I'd like to make the Mr. Gang game play on. Hi. Ah, the famous Mystery Inc. And that's Scooby-Doo. Yes, well, it looks like you're just in time for a mystery. Why? What happened? This is a hyper laser. Would you be using object and project them into cyberspace? Precisely, young lady.